Jai Shri Ram. Today, I don't know, before starting, the mind was constantly playing a beautiful bhajan. Maybe so because the imagination was of Vibhishan's Bhavan. इतना प्यारा उनका भवन जिस पे घुसते ही हरि का चिन्ह है, तुलसी के पौधे लगे हुए हैं. तो and he is totally at the mercy of Sri Ram, right? He lives at the mercy of Sri Ram. जैसे ठाकुर जी की कृपा. So this bhajan, Sita Ram, I am sure most of us have heard this. I'll just like to just read a few verses out of it. And it says very beautifully, Sita Ram, kahiye, jahi vidhi rakhe Ram, tahi vidhi rahiye. And then it actually shows us how our life should be led, right? जैसे कि एक छोटे से भजन में पूरे जीवन जीने का सार है, right? There is nothing much. To be very honest, सनातन धर्म इतना सरल है कि हमें इतने सारे ग्रंथ दिखते हैं, इतनी सारी व्याख्याएं दिखती हैं, इतने सारे श्लोक दिखते हैं, पर ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. It is as simple as this bhajan. And if we are able to implement this, we are no different from हनुमान जी and विभीषण जी. मुख में हो राम नाम, राम सेवा हाथ में, तू अकेला नाही प्यारे, राम तेरे साथ में. विधि का विधान जान, हानि लाभ सही है. जो ठाकुर जी की इच्छा है. If something good is happening, प्रभु कृपा. If something is not happening as per our wish, क्योंकि कुछ खराब तो होता ही नहीं है हमारे जीवन में, ठाकुर जी की कृपा, right? किया अभिमान तो फिर मान नहीं पाएगा. And when we look at Hanuman ji and Vibhishan ji, the greatest devotees of the Lord, हनुमान जी तो ज्ञान की खान है. Literally, he is the epitome of knowledge, and look at his humility. He goes around as if, just imagine वो विभीषण जी से जाके माँ सीता का पता ढूंढ रहे कि मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ है. Right? So it shows us the humility of a bhakt, where the bhakt always sits like a student, wanting to know कि मुझे नहीं पता है और बता दो. When two devotees meet, they both become babies because both want to know more about the Lord, each saying that I don't know anything. The minute you feel I know, then there is a problem, right? Because it cannot be known. He cannot be known. So, and the more you know him, the more the curiosity to know him. And that is what we saw when we saw Vibhishan ji and Hanuman ji meeting. Kiya, and there is no ego. Fal asha tyag. There is no expectation ki if I do this, that is what we talked about in one of the classes. Ki if we go to the Lord to seek from the Lord, or are we going to the Lord to seek the Lord? दोनों में बहुत फर्क है. एंड फल भी नहीं है, आशा कुछ भी नहीं है, सब त्याग के you go towards the Lord. कि there is nothing that I seek. Probably थोड़ी सी भक्ति दे देना. That's about it. And when there is शुभ काम अगर हम कर रहे हैं, there is no आशा कि मुझे पुण्य फल मिलेगा. Like many a times we do a lot of things, then for the brownie points we end up doing हाँ चलो थोड़ी सी charity कर देते हैं, to satisfy ourselves कि हाँ we are doing charity also. So our punya record, is also increasing. No, that is not the reason to do good. It should be effortless. Wherever there is need, we go and help. जिंदगी की डोर सौंप हाथ दीनानाथ के. रामायण जी में इनफैक्ट आगे आएगा शायद, where you take away all the strings from all around the world and direct it towards the Lord. We have strung ourselves to so many things and people, right? Isn't it? We are actually puppets in the hands of a lot of things and people. Even intangible things like जिनमें जीव नहीं होता है, वो हमारे जैसे जीव को अपने वश में रखता है. चाहे वो हमारी घर हो, गाड़ी हो, संपत्ति हो, राइट? तो उन सब से हमें निकाल के प्रभु की तरफ उस डोर को डाल देना है. जिंदगी की डोर सौंप हाथ दीनानाथ के, एंड देन इट डज नॉट मैटर वेयर ही कीप्स अस. अब वो रावण का मंदिर था या विभीषण का भवन था, राइट? इट डज नॉट मैटर. एंड देन ब्यूटिफुली ही सेज कि सबसे आशा छोड़ के, आशा एक राम जी से दूजी आशा छोड़ दे, नाता एक राम जी से दूजा नाता तोड़ दे. नाउ दिस इज अ वेरी बिग क्वेश्चन कि वी कैन नॉट ब्रेक ऑल रिलेशनशिप्स, बट वी कैन सी गॉड इन ऑल रिलेशनशिप्स, इजंट इट? दैट इज व्हाट दिस लाइन मीन्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमें सबसे संबंध तोड़ने हैं. ना हनुमान जी ने तोड़े, ना विभीषण जी ने तोड़े, ना ही राम जी ने खुद ने तोड़े. बट जब जगत में प्रभु दिखने लग जाए, राइट, दैट इज व्हाट दिस लाइन मीन्स. एंड देन साधु संग राम रंग, अंग अंग रंगिए, काम रस त्याग प्यारे, राम रस पकिए. साधु संग राम रंग. एंड यही हो रहा है when we are doing the चर्चा of Vibhishan ji meeting Hanuman ji. What is it so beautiful? Both sadhus have met each other. Both are overwhelmed. अब imagine करिए कि both are overwhelmed with joy. Both feels blessed that the other has given darshan. Right? विभीषण कहते हैं अहो भाग्य हमारे कि आप हमारे घर पधारे. एंड हनुमान जी कहते हैं अरे आई एम जस्ट अ वानर. प्रातः अगर कोई हमारा नाम भी ले लेता है तो उसको अन्न नसीब नहीं होता है. दैट इज व्हाट इट इज सेड. एंड उस पे प्रभु ने इतनी कृपा की कि मुझे आप जैसा भक्त मिल गया. एंड दैट इज द चिन्ह ऑफ अ डिवोटी. एक्सट्रीम ह्यूमिलिटी, एक्सट्रीम ग्रैटिट्यूड and extreme joy when they meet another devotee. इसमें स्पर्धा नहीं होती है कि कौन भगवान का सबसे बड़ा भक्त या किसको सबसे ज्यादा आता है. भक्तों में कभी कंपटीशन नहीं होता. Right? There is nothing like that. Because both together want to serve. In fact, competition होता है ना, कि कौन कम ज्ञानी है. It is not the other way कि हाँ मैं ज्यादा ज्ञानी, नहीं, कौन कम ज्ञानी है. And both are willing to learn. So over here, when Vibhishan ji and Hanuman ji meet, ऐसा ही कुछ वातावरण है, इतना सुंदर कि for a while they can't talk, they are quiet. And finally, Hanuman ji says, कि आप यहाँ रहते कैसे हैं? सुनो पवन सुत, he asks कि यहाँ पे लंका निश्चर निकर निवासा, यहाँ कहाँ सज्जन कर वासा. आप यहाँ पे कैसे रहते हैं? हर जगह दानव है, हर जगह हिंसा हो रही है. हाउ इज इट दैट यू स्टे ओवर हियर? एंड विभीषण सोचते हैं कि सुनो पवनसुत, रहनी हमारी जिमी जैसे मुंह में, राइट, इसे हाउ डू आई स्टे ओवर, कि जैसे दांतों के बीच में जीभ रहती वैसे मैं यहां रह रहा हूं. सो तब हनुमंत कही सब राम कथा निज नाम, सुनत जुगल तन पुलक मन, मगन सुमिर गुण ग्राम. पहले तो राम कथा सुनाई हनुमान जी ने. बोथ आर ओवरवेल्म्ड एंड नाउ हनुमान जी कैन नॉट कंट्रोल हिमसेल्फ एंड ही आस्क्स कि आप ऐसे कैसे रह रहे हैं, एंड इन स्पाइट ऑफ द एनवायरमेंट यू आर इन, आपने अपनी भक्ति कैसे संभाल के रखी है. तो एंड विभीषण को मिल गए हनुमान जी. तो ही सेज द वे आई एम स्टेइंग ओवर हियर इज, जैसे एक जीभ दांत के बीच में रहती है. वी हैव दीज 32 टीथ, राइट, एंड उसके बीच में एक जीभ रहती है. एंड वी हैव ऑल एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट कि कभी ना कभी जब हमारी आवर टंग इज बिटन बाय आवर टीथ, तब कितना दर्द होता है. तो संभाल के रखना पड़ता है ना कि अरे गलती से मैंने खुद की जीभ काट ली. तो हनुमान जी इज लिसनिंग टू हिम. And Hanumanji, instead of, saying कि हाँ आप यहाँ रह रहे हैं, मुझे दुख हुआ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. What he says is, अरे वाह, you are blessed. So you are staying in such an amazing place. So now Vibhishan says कि अच्छा, aren't you sorry for my state? Right? Instead आप तो बोल रहे हैं कि बहुत अच्छी बात है. तो हनुमान जी बोलते बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. See, now tell me one thing. This is one Sadhu Mahatma who gives this analogy. He says, tell me what falls off. Later on, we all know, right? The teeth will fall off, not the tongue. So you're lucky to be the tongue, not the teeth. Right? हाँ या ना? जीभ तो रहती है ना, ऐसा थोड़ी कि हमारी उम्र हो गई तो हमारी जीभ गिर गई. किसी का सुना है? नहीं, दांत गिरते हैं, दांत बदले जाते हैं, जीभ तो रहती है. So see, this is what is going to happen in a while. कुछ समय में राम आएंगे, ये सब जो दांत दिख रहे हैं ना आपको नोकीले, वो सारे खत्म हो जाएंगे, आप रह जाओगे. So you're blessed, isn't it? And think of it. Why do the teeth fall? Right? The teeth fall because they are strong. They are, like they are hard. Hardened by their, according to him, the analogy he is giving, we love our teeth, but the analogy he is giving is they are hardened by the karma they have been doing. So थोड़ी सी प्रहार लगी और वो गिर जाते हैं, जीभ इंटैक्ट रहती है. तो आप और देखिए ना, उसके बाद वो बोलते हैं कि देखो मेहनत तो सारी ये दांत कर रहे हैं. राइट? रावण जी, हमने शुरू में बात की कि रावण भी इतने खराब नहीं थे. उनका भी एक उद्देश्य था कि माँ सीता को लेके जाएंगे तो राम आएंगे तो मेरा स्वयं का ही नहीं सबका उद्धार हो जाएगा. तो देखो मेहनत तो कितने लोग कर रहे हैं, दांत कितनी मेहनत करता है चबाने के लिए, पर रस एंड द टेस्ट इज टेकन बाय द टंग. राइट? सो ही इज गिविंग ऑल दिस एनालॉजी एंड देन ही सेज डोंट थिंक दैट यू आर वीक. विभीषण, डोंट थिंक दैट यू आर वीक. बोले क्यों? कि सी, अनलेस टिल द टंग डिसाइड्स टू बी हम्बल एंड क्वाइट, द टीथ आर इंटैक्ट. Right? At that time, the teeth will say, you control yourself, you're in the middle of all of us, 32 of us, you be very careful. But if the tongue decides, now this is a pun that the Maharaj Ji threw, if the tongue decides, ek saath it can make sure that all the teeth fall off. How? Suppose he's standing in front of somebody and he decides to utter some bad words, right? So just imagine he's standing in front of wrestlers and he starts abusing them, फिर क्या होगा? One box and all the teeth are off. So the tongue is very strong. It decides to be weak. It decides to be quiet. It lets the teeth have its day. है ना? जीभ में बहुत ताकत होती है. मीठा भी बोल सकती है, कटु भी बोल सकती है, और बहुत ज्यादा कटु बोल दिया तो दांत भी जा सकते हैं. So this discussion, beautiful discussion, they have just added this beautiful taste to it, saying ki don't worry. And this is the minute Vibhishan looked at the situation did not change, right? There was any change in the situation? No. He was still in Lanka. He was still in the midst of the Rakshasas. He was still in the midst of this negative situation. But his attitude and his vision changed. Suddenly, the situation was not looking that bad anymore. इसे कहते हैं ना, जब संग होता है साधु संतों का, nothing much changes around us. What changes is our outlook to the same situation. The situation of Vibhishan ji did not change, right? Nothing changed. He's there, he's living in that bhavan. But he says, oh, my situation is not that bad after all. After talking to Hanuman ji. And this is what satsang does. हम सोचते हैं ना, if we are doing a lot of prayers, situations are going to become and turn to our favor. Let's not debate there, but even if they don't, the pain that any situation, person or thing is causing is going to be eliminated. शायद हमारे आसपास कुछ ना बदले, हमारा नजरिया बदल जाएगा. कहते हैं ना, खोट दुनिया में नहीं, हमारी दृष्टि में होता है. Nobody is giving us pain. No situation is to be blamed. It is our drishtikon. And now the same situation where he says, Suno pavan sut rehni hamari. Now that rehni has become a blessing. A blessing for him. And then he says, Tat kabohu muhi jani anata karahi krapa bhanu kulnata. And now he's saying, see, I'm so blessed, Hanumanji. The Lord took me to be an anath, कि मेरा और कोई नहीं है, और उनने आपको भेज दिया मेरे पास में. And what does he say? तामस्तन कछु साधन नाही, प्रीति न पद सरोज मन माही. मेरा तामसिक तन है, यम नियम साधना नहीं होती मुझसे. राइट? देखिए, विभीषण जी ने कम साधना नहीं की थी, ना ही हनुमान जी ने, किंतु देयर वाज नो एहसास कि मैंने इतना कुछ कर लिया है. And this is a check that we have to, when we talk to ourselves and we are thinking about ourselves, do we have this thought that, oh my God, I am doing so much of tapas, I am doing so much of sadhana, I am doing so much of kirtan, I am devoting so much time to the Lord. If this thought is coming, we have not even started. अगर हमारे दिमाग में आ रहा है कि देखो हम तो कितना शुभ काम कर रहे हैं, तो हमने अभी कुछ करा ही नहीं है. क्योंकि भक्त हमेशा सरल होता है, और सरलता की क्या पहचान होती है? उस इंसान को, सरल इंसान को भी नहीं पता होता है कि वो सरल है. दैट इज द पहचान ऑफ अ भक्त, ऑफ अ डिवोटी. सो ओवर हियर विभीषण इज सेइंग मेरा तन तो तामस है. हम सब actually our sharir as such is tamasic in nature, isn't it? Totally. And it is not conducive to sadhana. क्या हम हिरण्यकश्यपु की तरह हजारों साल बैठ सकते हैं? वाल्मीकि की तरह हम आसन ग्रहण कर सकते हैं कि there will be anthills around us and we don't move? Do we have the capacity to go like Ma Parvati, to go like Ma Parvati and sit up there to please and wake Shivji up? We don't. Maybe we do. Some of us might be. At least I don't. So this knowledge that कि इतनी तपस करने की शक्ति ही नहीं है, और मन के अंदर प्रभु के प्रति प्रीति भी नहीं है. See, devotion comes in the end, right? Devotion is not something we start with. Devotion we have realized after reading so much of Ramayana that जो साधु संत जिनको प्रभु साक्षात दर्शन देते हैं, वो प्रभु से बोलते हैं कि भक्ति दे देना प्रभु. सो जो प्रीति और भक्ति प्रभु के प्रति होती है, वो अभी जो हम टर्म दे रहे हैं, हम उसको पता नहीं क्या बोले उसको, पर वो बहुत बाद में आती है. तो विभीषण बोल रहे हैं, आई डोंट इवन हैव दैट लव, दैट डिवोशन फॉर द लॉर्ड. आई एम नॉट केपेबल ऑफ डेवलपिंग इट ऑन माई ओन ऑल्सो. बट आई नो वन थिंग, अब मोहे भा भरोस हनुमंता, बिनु हरि कृपा मिले ही नहीं संता. But I have faith now. All these things I don't have, but I have faith that if I am getting the company of Sat in the form of person, place or thing, अगर मुझे सत्संग मिल रहा है, साधु मिल रहे हैं, अगर मेरे दिमाग में सुविचार आ रहा है, even if I'm having a good thought pop up in my mind, the grace is flowing. कृपा हो रही है. There is no other way. We'll say yes, कृपा हो रही है. This is the witness. He says, अब मोहे भा भरोस हनुमंता, बिनु हरि कृपा मिले ही नहीं संता. क्योंकि if there is कृपा happening, the good thought, the good action, the good company will happen. And looking at you, हनुमान जी, आप तो साक्षात संत हैं जो मेरे सामने आके खड़े हो गए. यू आर द मैसेंजर ऑफ द लॉर्ड हु इज स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. तो यस, आई एम ब्लेस्ड, एंड दिस इज नॉट हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ माई एफर्ट. दिस इज हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉर्ड्स कृपा. देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ ईगोज, द गुड ईगो एंड द बैड ईगो, राइट? तो इट इज वेरी इजी टू लेट गो ऑफ द बैड ईगो, राइट? जब हम कुछ गलत करते हैं, वी हैव ईगो बिकॉज ऑफ द मनी एंड प्लेस और अकम्पलिशमेंट्स, राइट? बट ये जो सात्विक ईगो होती है ना, द ईगो ऑफ प्रेयर्स, द ईगो ऑफ सत्संग, द ईगो ऑफ बीइंग पायस, द ईगो ऑफ प्योरिटी एंड डाइट, इट इज ऑल्सो ईगो, राइट? इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू लेट गो, बिकॉज व्हाई शुड आई लेट गो ऑफ दिस? आई हैव वर्कड हार्ड फॉर इट. मैं रोज बैठ के 16 माला जप करती हूं. एक राम नाम भी मुंह से नहीं निकलेगा अगर प्रभु की कृपा नहीं होगी तो. विनाश काले विपरीत बुद्धि. जब प्रभु को किसी को कहते हैं ना, इफ द लॉर्ड वांट्स टू पनिश somebody, he does not run after him with a broom. वो बुद्धि हर लेते हैं. he steals away your brain. तो अभी जो 16 माला हो रही है ना, एक राम का नाम मुंह से नहीं निकलेगा. So क्या गुड ईगो? सो दिस गुड ईगो overshadows kripa. Bola, I've earned it. You cannot earn the blessing of the Lord. It happens through kripa. But that does not mean that we stop doing sadhana. That does not mean that we stop putting in the effort. We have to keep putting in effort till it becomes effortless. And when it becomes effortless, we increase the amount of effort. Right? अब लगा ना कि हाँ 16 माला आराम से हो रही है तो ठीक है 18 करिए 20 करिए पर कृपा से ही सब होने वाला है माला से नहीं पर माला तो करनी पड़ेगी राइट इट इज लाइक अ catch-22 है ना सो एंड देन ही सेड जो रघुबीर अनुग्रह कीना तो तुम मोहे दरस हटी दीना इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्लेसिंग ऑफ द लॉर्ड बिकॉज ही हैज डायरेक्टेड यू टू कम that Hanumanji you are standing in front of me today. नहीं तो मैं तामस तन कछु साधन नाई प्रीति न पद सरोज मन माई बाकी मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है तामस तन है मैंने कोई साधन नहीं किया है और मन में प्रभु के प्रति इतनी प्रीति भी नहीं है शायद तो आप क्यों आए हैं जो रघुबीर अनुग्रह की ना इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉर्ड्स आज्ञा बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉर्ड्स ब्लेसिंग बिकॉज ऑफ हिज लव टुवर्ड्स मी दैट यू हैव कम एंड यू आर स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी And then Hanumanji, being Hanumanji, he said, who am I? I am a mere vanar. Right? सुनो विभीषण प्रभु के रीति करही सदा सेवक पर प्रीति whoever serves him he always loves his devotee who is serving him मतलब प्रभु के there is no भेदभाव he is always loving everybody the only thing is we don't turn towards him but he is saying कि वो हमेशा सेवक पे तो प्रीति करते ही है नहीं तो look at me who am I now हनुमान जी saying who am I ये अगर बोलेंगे कि who am I तो हम क्या बोलेंगे he says सुनो विभीषण कहूँ कवन में परम कुलीना कुलीन मतलब I am the lowest of the low हनुमान जी is calling himself कपि चंचल सभी विधिहीना कपि मतलब वानर कितने चंचल होते हैं ना राइट वन एक ब्रांच से दूसरी ब्रांच ऑल फ्रॉम ऑल साइड्स वी आर वेरी मलीन वी आर वेरी हीन वी आर द लोएस्ट ऑफ द लो इनफैक्ट इट इज सेड दैट इफ समबडी टेक्स आवर नेम इन द मॉर्निंग दे वोंट गेट फूड द एंटायर डे कहते हैं ना प्रातः ले जो नाम हमारा ते ही दिन ताही ना मिले आहार सो हनुमान जी ये कह रहे हैं असमय अधम सखा सुनो मोह पर रघुवीर कीन कृपा सुमिर गुण भरे विलोचन नीर ही सेइंग who am I Hanuman ji is now saying asme adam listen my friend though I am so wretched right Raghu the king of Raghu race the hero of Raghu race has shown his grace even to me and both of them have tears in their eyes and this is the true पहचान कहते हैं ना ऑफ अ डिवोटी ह्यूमिलिटी एंड एहसास नहीं है हमारी खुद की भक्ति का सी दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट द मिनट द थॉट कम्स कि हमने इतना किया दैट मीन्स वी हैव नॉट इवन स्टार्टेड एंड इसीलिए ना बिफोर वी रीच्ड हियर We talked about saralta a lot. And saralta का चिन्ह क्या है? How does anybody know who is saral? Because the person who is saral will be, oblivious of the fact कि वो सरल है. अगर आपको लगता है आप सरल हैं तो आप सरल नहीं हैं. It is very simple yet very, very difficult. So Hanumanji and Vibhishanji are showing us the characteristics of a devotee, the bhav of a devotee. And saying this, the exchange is so beautiful. कभी कभी लगता है ना कि क्या ये गुण हम में आ पाएंगे क्या ये सरलता हमारे अंदर से भी छलकेगी कभी सोचने में तो आता ही And then he says, I have been actually looking for Ma Sita everywhere, right? Everywhere, and I do not know where to find her. हनुमान जी बोल रहे हैं देखिए look at हनुमान जी and his humility again and again Oh, it really, we can stand in awe of it. कि मुद्रिका किसको दी राम जी ने? हनुमान जी को. We'll move a little further and we'll realize the message that had to be conveyed to Ma Sita was given to whom? Hanuman ji. The confidence that he is going to be the one was there with whom? Ram ji. And who is oblivious of this? Hanuman ji. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि everything will be sorted by us only. When the Lord chooses someone, when the Lord has decided, He chalks the path. Who are we? He chalks the path. He says कि हाँ ये है, आगे जाके तुम्हें ये मिलेगा, तुम्हारे को जो इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए वहाँ से मिलेगी, तुम्हारा मार्गदर्शन होगा, मैंने सबको खड़ा रख रखा है, पर then we'll have to take the first step in faith. Hanuman ji walked in faith. He did not question when taking the mudrika. He did not question when taking the message. He did not gloat also कि हाँ देखो मुझे ही सीता माँ मिलेगी. कुछ नहीं. He just walked in faith. It's a very thin line between gloating and between, not taking the first step also. बहुत इसको एक्सप्लेन भी नहीं करा जा सकता. इसको तो शायद हनुमान जी का आचरण, हनुमान जी की कथा सुन के ही समझा जा सकता है कि ये कैसे होता है. इतना फाइन बैलेंस कोई कैसे कर सकता है. तो विभीषण से पूछते हैं, एंड विभीषण आस्क्स कि I've been looking all around, but I have not been able to find माँ सीता. And then हनुमान जी को बोलते हैं, जुगति विभीषण सकल सुनाई, है ना, चले ओ पवन सुत विदा कराई. इमीडिएटली हनुमान जी को विभीषण जी ने बोला कि आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू फाइंड माँ सीता. I know where she is. And Hanuman ji was told. And over here, एक बहुत beautiful सा thought है, which has been thrown by one of the gurus. When Vibhishan is saying कि मेरे पे कृपा हुई है, मेरे पे प्रभु की करुणा हुई है, and everything, so he says, देखो करुणा कृपा तो ही है, but आप अभी तक उसके अधिकारी नहीं बने. अधिकारी कैसे नहीं बने? कि you are here, you know that Ravan, whatever Ravan is doing is not to be done. You know Ma Sita has been taken away. But why haven't you voiced it abhi tak? Why are you sitting quietly? It is good to be a devotee of the Lord. It is good to say Ram Ram. It is good to be pious. It is good to be sattvic in nature. But what good is that when there is no action? What good is it when there is no action? What have you done? You have this amazing ability and that, designation of being Ravan's brother, yet you did not stop him. You did not voice anything in the court. आपने कुछ भी नहीं बोला. So that is why we say, right? Spirituality does not direct us to become inert, कि हम पत्थर बन जाएं. ये नहीं होता कि हम सब कार्य छोड़ के बैठ जाएं. नहीं. This is what it is. You walk on the path and you act also. What is compassion? Compassion is not just feeling sorry for the people who are suffering. It is getting up and doing something about it. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप बहुत कुछ कर सकें, but जितना भी कर सकें उठ के करिए तो सही. And the story of the starfish, बच्चों की story है, but I think the most meaning comes from the children's story only. There was this child walking on a beach. He was bending and getting up again, bending and getting up again. A man from a distance noticed कि ये क्या कर रहा है? झुक रहा है, उठ रहा है, झुक रहा है, उठ रहा है. So he went a little near. He went थोड़ा पास में and देखा कि the beach was full of starfish. High tide हुई होगी, फिर low tide हो गई. All the starfish was washed on the shore. So what this child was doing since morning was picking up one starfish and throwing it back into the ocean, picking up 2 and 3 and throwing it back into the ocean. The man just could not control himself, because what happens is the childlike innocence is lost as we grow up because of the human conditioning, the environmental conditioning. So he said, what are you doing? Why are you wasting your time? He said, what makes you think that I'm wasting my time? He says, I am just throwing these starfish back so that they survive before the sun comes out. He said, but there are thousands and thousands of them. You have 2 little hands. And what? How many are you able to help? You won't be able to make any difference. This boy, without wasting any time, kept working. And he said, listen, sir, I made a difference to this one. And he threw 3 more back into the ocean and says, see, 3 more saved. Who says I cannot make a difference? Difference we all can make. हनुमान जी बोल रहे हैं, विभीषण, what difference have you made? अगर आप इस पथ पे चल रहे हैं, राम भक्त हैं, तो वैसा कार्य भी तो करिए. And Vibhishan, again, this is not there in Ramcharitramanas. It is not written over here. But जब गुरु बोलते हैं ना, they add their 2 bits and they are so beautiful. So, saying this, again they are discussing. And Vibhishan is now ready, yes. Feeling sorry without any action is not compassion. He says, नहीं, अब मैं चुप नहीं बैठूंगा. अब मैं कार्य करूंगा. राम का कार्य करूंगा. And both of them part, because the problem with both of them is that one has met the mother and the other has met the father. And over here again and again Hanumanji is terming Vibhishan as his brother. कि भाई please मुझे बता दीजिए ये कहाँ है, माँ कहाँ है. तो Hanumanji say, when they are talking, when they are exchanging points, when they are giving suggestions to each other, when they are overwhelmed, he says कि listen, I have seen Ramji, I have not seen Ma Sita. You have seen Ma Sita, you have not seen Ramji. You tell me today where Ma Sita is, I promise in a while I'll bring Ramji to you. Such a beautiful discussion, and saying this, he goes, he says, Jugti Vibhishan Sakal Sunai, Chale O Pavan Sud Vida Karai. And slowly, कहाँ गए वो? करी सोई रूप गयो पुनि तह वह वन अशोक सीता रह जावा. कहाँ है सीता जी? She is in Ashok Van, sitting under the Ashok tree. Ashok is where there is no shok. The tree has been chosen with a lot of thought by Tulsi Baba. माँ सीता कहाँ रह सकती है? जहाँ शोक नहीं है. भक्ति कहाँ आती है? जहाँ शोक नहीं है. शोक कहाँ नहीं होता? जहाँ प्रभु रहते हैं. प्रभु कहाँ रहते हैं? जहाँ तृप्ति होती है, भरोसा होता है. Where there is contentment, you will find Ma Sita, Hanumanji will come and Prabhu will come. Ashok. No regret, no sorrow, total surrender, total contentment. Again, no sorrow. Again, the problem is we always say like no sorrow, that means the situation is enough, good as per our thought. No. Situation remains the same. We have to keep in mind nothing is going to change around us. I do not know it will or not, but I think it won't. Nothing is going to change around us, but there won't be any shock in our heart. Bliss and contentment always. And वहाँ कहाँ बैठी हुई मिलेंगी? माँ सीता. And how is माँ सीता sitting over there? कहते हैं, she is एकदम very, totally skin thin, एकदम bone thin, sitting with her legs curled up. Her eyes, the drishti is totally on her own feet. She is not looking around. And there is one choti, one pigtail. Beni, ek beni. कैसे? देखी मन ही मुँह कीन प्रणामा बैठी बीट जात निह जामा. And he went and he hid in front amongst the trees on the top of amongst the leaves on the top of the tree. हनुमान जी वहाँ बैठे हुए. And क्या देखते हैं? कृष तनु शीस जटा एक बेनी जपति हृदय रघुपति गुण श्रेणी. एक बैनी है, There is one tail, one pigtail. दृष्टि अपने चरणों पर, और मन में क्या? राम 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 राम. Nowhere else has a mind wandered. And this is very, very beautiful. When in the midst of anything, this is how we should be. कहाँ है वो? लंका में है. आजू बाजू कौन है? Who's surrounding her? All the Rakshasis. Everything is tamasic around him. But she's totally in the thought of the Lord. See, the world enters through our eyes, through our ears, through our nose. The world enters us through these things. She has totally closed everything and just has the Lord in her heart, in her mind, and in front of her drishti. Nothing else. She is not allowing anything else to touch her. Keeping herself confined to the thought of the Lord. Seated. And this is how we should be in this world. So that the world does not enter through our eyes and through our ears. Focused on the Lord. It's very difficult. But this is Ma Sita who's seated there. And Hanumanji is just thinking, how do I reach out to her? How do I talk to her? What should I do next? Utte mein, because the thought is going on, he's hidden there. He knows that Ma Sita is she will maybe not trust me. So how do I approach her? Utte mein Ravan walks in. And Ravan walks in with whom? He comes in with Mandodari. He comes with all his queens, and he is approaching Ma Sita, and Ma Sita is not looking at him, she is not looking around, she has just fixed her vision on her feet and heart on the Lord's name. And Ravan says, just once, at least once, look at me, Sita. I'll make all these queens your slave. They'll serve you day and night. Just look at me once. And how does when he looks at Ma Sita, what does he see? He's seeing somebody who's so beautiful. But Abhi, the description is that she is almost like a stick, bone thin. There is no shine there. She's just sitting curled up. What does he see in her that is so beautiful? He sees the name of the Lord which is being chanted continuously, and that is luring her. He got all the queens. He never ever once, only when he took her away, went to see her without anybody. He had, even the Rakshasis that were guarding were female. All the queens came with him when he came to meet Ma Sita. And he came and he said, listen, soon Ramji will come. The entire Sena will come. The battle will happen, and all of us will get liberated. What will happen to my wives? What will happen to all the females who are over here? They will need your support. They will need you to liberate them. Because the battlefield at that time, in the Ramayana battle, all the men had gone. All the Rakshasas had gone. So he is standing in front of her and saying, Dekho, ek baar to aap dekho meri taraf. One drishti. And please, all of them are going to serve you, Ma. Make sure that you liberate them also. I hope they are not left behind when I go. This is the thought in his mind, and he's talking to Ma Sita, and Ma Sita is just, she wants to, and when he's talking like this, she takes a small little blade of grass and she puts it between him and her. And then she raises her voice and says, how can you talk to me like that? What do you think? This lotus is going to bloom because of a glowfly like you? And that is when he loses it, He says, okay, now I have to come back on to the role play. And he takes out his sword and he says, I'm going to cut your head off. But he has brought Mandodari with him, and Mandodari stops him. He said, nahi, aap aisa nahi karenge. And in the pun, it is very funny to see that even Ravan listens to his wife, She is the boss even of Ravan. Kahin pe bhi, it is, aap kahin pe bhi dekh lijiye. Even in our scripture, who says that women are not given the authority? Even Ravan stopped immediately when Mandodari held his hand. He said, nope, this is not the right thing to do. Ravan said, "Theek hai, tathastu, no problem, I'm not going to move forward." And he threatened her, in a month, if you don't surrender, the sword of yours, mine is going to cut your neck. And she said, it's okay, I don't mind. The only two things that can come near me are Ramji or the sword of yours. And then he says to the Rakshasis, trouble her even more and make sure that she surrenders to what I want. And saying this, all of them go away. Mandodari joins a hand silently in front of Ma Sita, knowing that Jagdamba is sitting there, and parts, thinking his destruction is to happen. Everything is going to come to an end. माँ कृपा रखना हम सब पे. इसी के लिए कहते हैं ना, रावण भी, if you go to the depth of it, there is still a village, I think, somewhere where they pray to Ravan. I do not know where it is, but I have heard of it. There is one village जहाँ रावण की भी पूजा होती है. And there was so much of usul, so much of dignity in Ravan. Who are we to say anything bad about him? Matlab, at the end, when we look at the battle, we'll realize that जब Ramji had destroyed Ravan, Lakshmanji was sent to Ravan to take ज्ञान, कि जाओ इनसे सीखो, ये बहुत ज्ञानी है, जाके इनसे ज्ञान लो. अब now Hanumanji is waiting. Hanumanji is waiting for his moment. अब Hanumanji को उस समय तो, when all this was happening, Hanumanji was also not quiet. He was getting so agitated. He said, everybody has told me कि थोड़ा सा बल दिखाना. हाँ? Hanumanji is like, he is itching to just go. And he said, leave it. I am not going to follow any orders, be it the Guru or the God. Agar he steps forward with that sword, I am going to finish the entire thing right now. He had the capacity. He had the strength. He was just constrained because this was not his battle to fight. It was Ramji's battle. He was given a job and he would just do that job and go. But if he said that if he takes one step forward, I'm going to finish it right now. I'll finish Ravan, I'll finish Lanka, I'll take my Sita and fly. Khatam. Uske baad mein let them punish me. And he was all set, all ready. The branch on which Hanumanji was sitting was vibrating. But luckily, Ma Mandodari, probably I feel she must have seen Hanumanji there. And she stopped Ravan and she moved away. You never know. See, we do not know what must have conspired. And Mandodari being Mandodari, the pious lady that she was, she must have felt the aura of Hanumanji. I have a feeling that Ravan must have seen Hanumanji and felt his aura too. It is not that Hanumanji is not something you can ignore like that. And Ravan and Mandodari were not ordinary people. ऐसा नहीं है कि माँ सीता को नहीं पता था कि हनुमान जी ऊपर बैठे. I have a feeling. And Trijata was a Rakshasi that used to guard Ma Sita. So Ma Sita, after Ravan went, she said, listen, this is it. So beautiful it is. Ma Sita says, give me some Agni. Right? Give me some Agni. I'll enter the Agni right now. There are two ways of looking at this. Ki Ma Sita is saying, I'm going to end everything and finish it off. I can't take the separation anymore. There is one way of looking at it. Or Ma Sita said, enough of this role play. मेरे को अग्नि में प्रवेश करवाया था ना राम जी ने कि you are going to be the shadow Sita and the real Sita is going to stay back. Finish it. I will fight the battle. I'll finish it off. मैं ही सारा काम कर लेती हूँ. माँ आप अग्नि दो मुझे अभी के अभी. Think of it. So Ma Sita is saying, give me the Agni. आप मुझे अग्नि दीजिए, मैं अग्नि में प्रवेश करके खत्म करती हूँ सब. Now खत्म किस वे में? I don't think Ma Sita is such that she would want to finish herself. She said, let me get the real Sita out and then they'll see the Tandav. See, Ram के पीछे शक्ति हमेशा सीता की थी. Right? माया पति के पीछे शक्ति माया की होती है. We should never forget that. So Trijata says, she's asking the stars, give me some, one drop, a little spark. Just give me one spark of fire. Fire. She's asking for fire. And Trijata is saying, Ma, nahi hai. Agni nahi hai. Agni nahi hai. Abhi nahi, Ma. Abhi nahi. And Trijata is said to be the daughter of Vibhishanji. And when all the Rakshasis are coming forward to trouble Ma Sita, she said, listen, I had a dream. Be warned, step back. I had a dream that there will be a monkey a Vanar, I shouldn't say monkey, a Vanar is going to come and burn the entire Lanka. Now Hanumanji is sitting there. Look at God. Instructions are also sent. We have to be receptive to it. Putrija वहाँ बैठी है and she is saying, I had a dream. So there are two ways. Again, कि हनुमान जी से तथास्तु, because you are so pious, I'll make sure your dream comes true. Or it could be a message from the Lord. He said, Tathastu Lord, if that is what has to be done, that will be done. Hanumanji already got the message. And Trijata is saying that entire Lanka is going to be burnt. And then what will happen? Soon, I had a dream that Dashanand is sitting on a donkey. He's being defeated. All his heads have been chopped off and Vibhishan has been crowned king. I suggest that don't petrify, don't trouble Ma Sita. Rather, you serve her. Take Sharnagati in her. If you want yourself to survive, if you want to be blessed. All the Rakshasis, they trembled in fear. And they did not serve, they dispersed. And I think that is good enough. All the demons dispersed. Were not in the vicinity of Ma Sita anymore. And Ma Sita and Trijata, Ma Trijata tried to console Ma Sita in many ways. Pacify her. And Ma Sita sat down. And Trijata went away. Now this was the right time. She said, Ma is asking for Agni. Ma is asking for Agni. Hanumanji said, okay, let me do this. And Hanumanji was very apt, knowing what to do when. ये हम हनुमान जी से सीख सकते हैं. He could have come directly down and given no. He dropped the mudrika. Blazing mudrika. And for once Ma thought ki, okay, Agni, Ashok tree ने ही मुझे अग्नि दी है, ठीक है. But then she looked. She said, this is Ramji's mudrika. And she was like, this mudrika cannot be taken by force. कुछ तो हुआ है. This cannot be a maya jal. This cannot be false. Where did this mudri come from? She's looking all around, but she finds nobody. At that time, Ramachandra gun barne laga. While she's questioning, while she's asking, what did Hanumanji do? Ramachandra gun barne laga, sunte hi Sita kar dar bhaga. Hanumanji ne mudrika dali, and when Ma is asking for the mudrika, what did she do? What did he do? He started singing the glories of Shri Ram. Puri Ram Katha sunadi, Ram Naam ki Mahima sunadi. And the minute the beautiful name and the glories of the Lord touched her ears, the agitated heart became calm. And this is the power of the Prabhu Naam. हमें संतुष्टि कुछ पा लेने से नहीं मिलेगी, जीत जाने से नहीं मिलेगी, बिकॉज उससे तृष्णा बढ़ेगी. द मोर वी वॉन्ट, द मोर वी गेट, एंड देन वी वॉन्ट इवन मोर, बी इट लव और थिंग्स और पीपल्स अटेंशन. तो तृष्णा शांत, दैट डिजायर शांत कैसे होती है? हरि नाम से, हरि नाम से. एंड हनुमान जी डिड नॉट गिव एनीथिंग. अगेन एंड अगेन इट्स एन इंडिकेशन कि आप प्रभु के तरफ कुछ मांगने के लिए, कुछ लेने के लिए मुड़ रहे हो तो मत मुड़ो, रहने दो. डोंट पुट इन द एफर्ट, बिकॉज हनुमान जी भी आपको राम नाम ही देने वाले. नाउअडेज हनुमान जी इज द मेन डेटी, राइट? कितनी उनकी सेवा होती. कहते हैं ना, कलयुग में राम से भी ज्यादा हनुमान जी की सेवा आती है. हनुमान जी का नाम लिया जाता है, पर जितनी बार हम हनुमान जी, कितने सारे खोले के हनुमान जी, ये हनुमान जी, वो हनुमान जी, उनसे मांगने के लिए जाते हैं ना, वो बोलते हैं लो रामचंद्र गुण भरने लगा. जितनी बार आप जाते हो ना, विदाउट योर नोइंग, ही इज जस्ट गिविंग यू द नेम ऑफ द लॉर्ड अगेन एंड अगेन. कोई कैसे समझाए कि हनुमान जी के पास में और मिलेगा ही क्या, राइट? सो अगेन एंड अगेन, एंड व्हेन वी गेट दैट नाम, there is a different kind of peace. There is a different kind of shanti that takes over. And a reminder that peace, that shanti does not make anybody inert. We still do everything that we are supposed to be done. The action does not change. The environment does not change. But there is something within that becomes calm and quiet and still. The stillness that we are looking for comes from the Harinam. And that is what she said, let her become still first. See, jab tak hamare man ke andar utal puthal hai na, uppar niche, so much of sansar going in, going out, anxiety up and down. See, right now if we go to Rishikesh and look at the Ganga, we throw the coin, we won't be able to find it. But during winters, when the season is not so rainy, there is not so much of turbulence, Ganga ji is clean and crystal clear. There is not so much of mud in it. We throw the coin and we are going to find it. Right? So to find ourselves, we need that stillness. Right? और वो कहाँ से आएगी? It is not that, okay, after I accomplish so and so, then I'll get it. हरि नाम से वो शांति और वो ठहराव आ जाएगा. And that is what he said. रामचंद्र गुण बरने लागा. And सुनते ही सीता कर दुख भागा. Her agony, her sorrow just vanished. Again a reminder, nothing changed around her. Something changed within. Right? Something changed within. Why? What? By the power of Ram Nam. And then, lagi sune श्रवण मन लाई. Again she's listening, श्रवण कर रही है. कहते हैं ना, श्रवणम कीर्तनम विष्णु. It's very beautiful. श्रवण, श्रवणामृत. Listening to the Lord's name is like taking amrit through our ears. श्रवणामृत, right? श्रवणामृत जही कथा सुहाई. प्रभु की कथा कितनी प्यारी होती है. It's like evergreen. जितनी बार भी आप रामायण सुन लो, मन वहीं जाके लग जाता है. Because this is amrit in the form of Shravan, in the form of hearing. Amrit is being poured into us. And Ma felt that Amrit is being poured. And then she said, ये जो Shravnamrit बरसा रहा है, right? Who is actually showering this Amrit on me? Who's singing the glories of the Lord? Hanumanji was beautiful, melodious. Really, he could sing beautifully too. उनकी आवाज में जादू था, literally, in simple terms. So she said, जो शवनामृत बरसा रहा है, वो कहाँ है? Now Hanumanji is in hiding behind the leaves, छोटा सा form, and he's singing the glory of the Lord, because Hanumanji को कभी दिखना ही नहीं था. प्रभु को दिखाना था, प्रभु का नाम दिखाना था. हनुमान जी ने तो कभी उनमें तो ये एहसास भी नहीं था कि the power within is mine. It is all Ramji's. So he just wanted to sing the glory of the Lord. He was in hiding all the time. And now Sita Ma is asking for him. Ki aa jao. Now he says, okay, now she's calling me. Let me go. The minute he jumps down with his tiny little cute form, she turns back. She turns away. And just imagine, you invite somebody, ki aiye, aiye, aiye. The minute the guest comes, you just turn away. How would the guest feel? But over here, Hanumanji did not feel bad at all. मतलब माँ ने बोला आ जाइए आ जाइए आ जाइए, ऐसे तो he did not come without being called. इसी के लिए कहते हैं ना, शास्त्र और प्रभु का नाम जब तक कोई आपसे ना मांगे मत दीजिए. ग्रंथ कोई आपसे ना मांगे तो किसी के हाथ में मत दीजिए. जब कोई बोले ना कि हाँ अब तो ग्रंथ दे दो, प्रभु का नाम सुना दो, तब मुंह खोलना. The scriptures say, don't give me in the hands of people who don't value me. अपने पास ही रखूं. And there was this, Chinmay Gurudev always used to say, PhD is never for all. कोई विरला, कोई एक ही होगा जो समझ पाएगा, उसी को समझा दो. You know, Ram Naam is not for the masses. PhD is not for the masses. So Hanumanji sang, and till he was called, he did not come. And when he came, she turned. And even then he was very happy. He said, this is exactly what I wanted. See, we have to be very careful. Nowadays, this is happening very rampantly. And many gurus and many sages were against it. They always used to say, look at where the finger is pointing. Don't get stuck on the finger. मैं आपको चंद्र दिखा रहा हूं, आप चंद्र को देखिए. आप चंद्र यहां मत देखिए, यहां मत देखिए. And nowadays what happens is, the guru is showing the Lord, but the sadhak has forgotten the Lord and is mesmerized by the guru. तो So Hanuman ji saying, good, she turned away, because that is what is supposed to be. When I am talking to you about Ram, you turn towards Ram, you turn your back towards me. Just listen to your attachment should be to the Lord and not to the Guru, not to the Vachak, but to the subject of the Vachak, जिसका प्रभु नाम सुना रहे हैं, उनकी तरफ आप देखिए. So Hanuman ji was very pleased कि हाँ, मान Sita has it right, कि she turned away because she was mesmerized by the Lord's name. And that is what we should all be. And what happens is when we get so attached to a human figure, yes, they are also divine in themselves, and we forget the unity of the cosmos, हम बढ़ जाते हैं, right? Then फिर अलग अलग मठ बन जाते हैं, अलग अलग संस्थाएं बन जाती हैं. That is never the objective of a true guru, because we are all united. Everybody is saying but one thing, that divine, and turn towards him. Showing that divine and turn towards him. So Hanumanji is very overjoyed कि माँ Sita has it right. And finally, he says, Ram दूत मैं माँ तू जानकी. I am nobody else but the messenger of the Lord. है ना? मैं और कुछ नहीं हूँ. मैं प्रभु का, मैं निमित्त मात्र हूँ. प्रभु का नाम आपको दे रहा हूँ. राम दूत मैं माँ तू जानकी. And you are my mother. सत्य कहूँ, सत्य कहूँ, करुणा, सत्य शपथ करुणा निधान की. And the minute he said Karuna Nidhan, it was probably that word she used to call Ramji, Karuna Nidhan. जो हमेशा करुणा करते हैं, who is always compassionate. She turned back. And he said, this mudrika was given to me by the Lord. And he misses you as much as you miss him. And not only this, when she started weeping, he said, the Lord has forgotten me. For what sin has he disowned me? When this discussion is happening, I think we should put ourselves in place of Ma Sita. And that agony that Ma Sita is feeling, probably we all will feel कि आपने सबको तो दर्शन दिया. You know, we have so many tales, we have so many stories. कर्मा भाई का भी आप प्रसाद खा के चले गए जब उसने आपके सामने भोग लगा. तो what have I done? Where have I faltered? क्या I am so bad कि you can give darshan to everybody but you have forgotten me? That is the feeling that is there in Ma Sita's mind. कि मैंने ऐसा क्या कर दिया कि आप मुझे भूल गए? आप तो करुणा निधान हो. When, you know, it is said कि गजेंद्र ने हर बोला, हरी नहीं हुआ तब तक आप उसके पास पहुंच गए. हम तो नाम ले लेके थक गए, है ना? माँ सीता must be thinking हम तो नाम ले लेके थक गए, आप कहाँ रह गए प्रभु? Right? वो तो we have heard that when devotees call him, he just gets up and runs. उनका दुशाला का, उनकी माला का, उनके बाल का, उनकी चप्पल का कुछ होश ही नहीं रहता. जब सुदामा का पता चला आप तो ऐसे भागे थे. मैंने क्या कर दिया प्रभु ऐसा कि मैं बुलाए जा रही हूं और आप सुन ही नहीं रहे? This is what she is telling हनुमान जी. मेरे से ऐसी क्या गलती हो गई हनुमान? ऐसी क्या गलती हो गई कि ये करुणा निधान ऐसे भागता है और मैं बुला बुला के थक गई हूं. मेरा तो पता मेरे पास तो आ ही नहीं रहे, मेरा पता लगा ही नहीं रहे, मेरे तरफ इनकी दृष्टि नहीं है. And she started weeping. And हनुमान जी बोलते ऐसा नहीं है माँ. अगर उनको थोड़ी सी भी भनक होती, if he would have known, he would have come immediately. Now I'm going to go and tell him. And listen. You do not know how he feels. माँ सीता looks at him. कैसे? जानी जननी मनोजिए ऊना, तुम ते प्रभु राम के दूना, तुम ते प्रेमु राम के दूना. He's saying, you know, जितना आप प्रभु को प्यार करते हैं उससे दुगना राम आपको प्यार करते हैं. जितना आप प्रभु को याद करते हैं उससे दुगना प्रभु आपको याद करते हैं. And the message Hanumanji reads is so beautiful. He conveys the entire message that Ramji had given. And the message, when is being read, probably it is the message for us from the Lord. It is not only you. I miss you too. कभी कभी हम जब प्रभु की तरफ देखते नहीं हैं, दिन निकल जाते हैं, प्रार्थना नहीं करते हैं, पूरे जीवन निकल जाता है, दैट लॉर्ड इज स्टैंडिंग एट द डोर वेटिंग फॉर अस टू कॉल हिम, वेटिंग फॉर अस टू टर्न टूवर्ड्स हिम, टीयर्स इन हिज आईज, कि संसार की रचना की थी कि मुझे प्यार मिलेगा, संसार मुझे ही भूल गया. दिस इज व्हाट हैज हैपेंड. द लॉर्ड क्रिएटेड ऑल ऑफ अस in anticipation कि I will get to feel love. But in the process, what did he get? He has been shoved in a corner. We give him the last priority, if we give him some priority. And just imagine how much he must be weeping. And he says, ever since I have been separated from you, instead of Ma Sita, I would say, put yourself there. Ever since I have been separated from you, everything to me has become its very reverse. The Lord is talking to us. The fresh and tender leaves on the trees look like tongues of fire. Night appears as dreadful as night of final dissolution, and the moon scorches like the sun. Beds of lotuses are like so many spears planted on the ground, while rain clouds pour boiling oil as it were. Those that were friendly before have now become tormenting. The cool, soft, fragrant breeze are now like the breath of a serpent. One's agony can be soothed by some extent, even by speaking of it. होता है ना कि बांटने से दुख हल्का हो जाता है. But मैं किससे बात करूं? See, we can share. The Lord is asking, whom should I share my agony with? मैं किससे बात करूं? For there is no one who will understand the reality about the cord of love that bind you and me, that bind us with our Lord. And who knows it? Only my soul alone will ever know that you abide with me and I abide with you. And that is the reality of our relationship with the Lord. And Ma over here is just listening to the message. She has just lost control. उनको खुद की सुधि ही नहीं है. And at that time Hanuman ji says, Ma, stabilize yourself. अपनी सुध में आइए वापस. This beautiful episode, if nothing else, should leave us wondering the agony that we cause the Lord by not turning towards Him. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Hanuman, Jai Hanuman.